What's up? This is Casey from Casey's Customs. In this video, we're going to give this 1950 Chevy away. Well, we're going to give you the details on how we're going to give it away. Let's go. And I am still very sick. I believe this is day 12 or something being stuck in the house. It is COVID. I know I had a bunch of people asking questions. I wanted to say thank you to everybody. I had hundreds of messages of people asking if I was okay, checking on shit. We're doing fine, just trying to get through it. No taste, no smell is like the weirdest thing in the world, but getting a little bit better each day. It's a nasty virus, but we're coming around. I just want to say thank you to everybody because, like I said, I got a ton of messages of people checking up, and that's been great. But trying to get the ball back rolling, trying to get back on track, trying to get some content out there, and also just get back to work. So let's do a giveaway on this 1950 Chevy. It is time. I took this as a last payment from my last job that we had in. This is actually one of my older builds. I have another video on it. You can hopefully click somewhere to get to it. Kind of explained it all, but I had a huge response from people asking if we should give it away or not. I had at least 200 or 300 people asking. So I think we're gonna go ahead and do a giveaway on this one. The way my giveaways work, this is our fourth one. If you're not familiar with them, you buy a decal, a sticker. If you buy the sticker, you are entered to win the car. The stickers will be in a website that I put at the bottom of this video. They're nowhere else. They're not stickers on my merch site. This is a whole different page just for giveaways. Here it is. It is a 1950 Chevy. It's been chopped, widened, lowered. It's actually sitting on a 80s Camaro chassis that's tied in basically structurally. It has a 350. It runs great. Here's some burnout footage. Adding burnout footage here, video editor Richard. It's running and driving pretty good, but it has sat for a little bit. It needs some work. It still has a little bit of a vacuum leak. It's still running and driving fine. I mean, it got driven like 2 hours the other day down the highway without any issues, but it still does have a little bit of a vacuum leak, so that needs fixed. Other than that, it's good. These windows are actually Lexan. This is bulletproof Lexan, but it is not glass. So if that's a problem in your state, it's gonna have to be something you deal with. In Missouri, it's no big deal. We're cool with it. Let's see, is there anything else? I mean, it's a rat rod. It's certainly not perfect. It's cool as shit though. It's a lot of fun. The title is in the old owner's name from Kansas. We're just gonna write out a bill of sale to you from him and he'll sign it over to you. He's a friend of mine, so I'm not gonna even bother transferring in my name. I've already had to do that with a couple of these others. And Missouri's gonna think I'm running a dealership if I do any more, so we're gonna just leave that in his name. So if you have a problem with that being from Kansas, the previous owner, don't buy a spot. So the spots are first come, first serve, however they fell. They've been flying out the door. We've done 3 previous, and they were all gone within like 24 hours, which is crazy. You know, take a while to fill up, but they haven't been. So I don't know on this one. It might fill up in a day. It might fill up in 3 months. I don't know. But whenever it's full, we will do the giveaway. If you're interested, like I said before, there is a website in the description of this video. Click there and you can go there and buy a decal and get entered to win, or click there and, you know, read some of the information in case I didn't spell anything out enough, which I very well could not be doing. So, ooh, also, I was gonna say, if anybody's interested, we also have this one. This is my dad's 56, I think it is. There's my 55. He got this 99% done, 95% done, and he kind of fell out of love with it. It's got a you know, Camaro subframe and all the good shit. I think it's got a newer rear end in it. The paint is beautiful. Paint's like a 9.5 out of 10. It's got a couple spots that needs buffed, but really bitchin' truck. He needs to finish the bed. Kind of needs to finish the interior. He's been buzzing it around town, but he did a chassis swap, kind of like we're doing on the 51. He did an S10 chassis swap on a 50s Chevy wagon he has, and once he rode in the more modern chassis swap, he kind of loved it, and he just kind of fell out of love with this one. I mean, we've all been there. We've all done that with these, but we're thinking we might do a giveaway on this one. I don't know. Depends if people are interested, what you guys think. Is it weird? Is it weird to do one that's technically not mine? This is my dad's. You know, these other ones are mine. You've seen me build them and whatnot. I don't know. I'm gonna leave that up to you guys, what you guys think, but it would be cool. Super cool truck, man. I don't know, you guys just let me know what you think. He's got a grill for it. It's not a chrome grill though. It needs a chrome grill in my opinion, but it's got a, I can't remember what it is. I think it's a 327. Might be a 350, don't know. Obviously I'd figure these details out if we're serious about giving this away, but looks really good. The paint is like a sunburst. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's got a ton of flake in it. A lot of orange flake, a lot of yellow flake. So, looks really good. It just needs finished. He's had it in this stage for like almost a year now. He just kind of, like I said, he did his other chassis swap and he likes it more than this one now. So it just kind of sat, and it's too badass to be sitting. If I didn't have 20 fucking things already, I would probably buy it and finish it. Obviously this video is not about this truck, but let me know what you guys think about that one, if we should maybe do that one. I feel bad when shit sits around. I get weird when shit sits around. I mean, I know there's sentimental attachment for some stuff, so it needs to sit around, you know, but I feel horrible for this car that it's at. Same thing with that truck. You know, when they just aren't getting driven. Also, we'll do the giveaway whenever it fills up. The other one's filled up very quickly, like in 24 hours, and usually it takes 2 to 3 days after that to kind of get all your stuff lined up and get everything figured out. So we will do the giveaway 2 to 3 days after it fills up, whenever that is. I don't know how long it takes to fill up. Let's get going. I'm excited because I know I've probably said it 3 times on here. I feel so bad when they're sitting outside, just nobody's playing with it. You know, I got so many other toys right now, and it's just sitting around, and it deserves to, you know, it deserves to be out there breaking stuff, burning rubber, just doing fun shit, basically. So if you're interested, if you want a chance to win this, I love that truck. Guy's got like a 50s truck. Anyways, if you're interested and you want to get involved, click the link in the description and I'll show you what you need to do to get in. Also, it does come with a car show plaque. Kind of has all the details on it. I'll add a picture here, but it does come with that as well. So if you do want to show it off, you can kind of show all the crazy bodywork and shit that was done. There isn't a panel on this car that hasn't been cut up in like 10 pieces. So it's kind of a sight to see. It's next to a bone stock 52. Those are basically the same body style, and it just, you can tell, like, not only is it a foot longer, but it's a foot wider, and it's just a low, mean bitch. So hopefully somebody can enjoy it. Thank you guys very much for watching. This was kind of a quickie video, but I just wanted to go ahead and set up some of the rules for the giveaway, tell you guys how to get into it, tell you what we're giving away in case you missed the other videos. This is kind of my baby, but she's sitting outside, and I really hate when cars sit outside and they don't get driven. So if you have any questions, shoot me a message. I'll gladly answer anything you have. But thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff they tell you at the end of videos, and check out some more of my other videos. Peace.
Addicted to you, all of my attention I've been giving to you. Caught up in my feelings, I got feelings for you. Caught up in my feelings, I got feelings for you. Oh my God. I cannot really been addicted to you.